Hi, my name is Jo and I'm from Reflexology Kent. I'm a wellbeing practitioner and a wellbeing tutor. And I'm going to share with you a few short, easy to follow hand reflexology techniques that you can practice on yourself at home or at work even. But please remember that reflexology does not replace traditional medicine. So if you have any health concerns, to always seek professional medical advice before commencing any holistic therapies, just to ensure the treatment is suitable for you before you start. Now, today I would like to go over with you the diaphragm and the solar plexus. Now, on the hands, which in reflexology terms mirror and relate to the body's organs, the diaphragm can be found just here, just in the crease of the hand. Solar plexus is just if you follow the finger through and then until your finger just naturally dips into the center of the hand here, that's the solar plexus. And again, on the other hand. Now, the diaphragm on the body is obviously under the rib cage, and that works with the lungs, so the breath. And the solar plexus helps to control our nervous system. So if we're feeling stress or tense, then that could always do with a little bit of help. So for the diaphragm, I'm just going to massage my hands. If you'd like to see the massage hand routine, then please go and find that as well. I have that in a separate video. So just naturally massage the hands how you feel, or follow my video. So let's go back to the diaphragm. In reflexology movements, we use a caterpillar thumb walk. There's many different techniques, but I'm going to choose to use this one today. So first of all, have your nice and comfortable in your chair, feet flat on the floor, arms relaxed, shoulders relaxed, your hands relaxed in front of you. Apply the hand cream that you wish to use. And then with your thumb, just gently thumb walk across. So if you notice, it's the first joint there in my thumb that bends, like a caterpillar walking across the hand. And the fingers underneath are just supporting that hand so that it doesn't keep pushing. If that's uncomfortable, obviously rest on the table as well. So as you're going across, just mindfully notice what you feel. We're not judging, we're just noticing. You might feel as though you're more focused on your breath as well. You might feel as though you want to take a breath in and breath out, then do so, that's fine. And then just slowly work your way across the hands. Now you can do this as often as you wish. I'm going to do it 3 times. And you can also go back the other way too. Now, if you're finding the thumb walk a little uncomfortable, then use a different technique. So you can push with your thumb and then rotate. Push and rotate. Push and rotate. Now, I'm not pushing hard. Gentle but firm, I would describe it as. And if you get a little tender spot, then you can just stop and circle and just notice how that feels as you're doing that. Don't make it too painful. If it is, please take off that pressure. We're not after trying to cause pain or discomfort. It's just about releasing the body of any tension and helping to relax and look after your well-being. Okay, and we're going to try that on the other hand. Again, position your hands, relax shoulders, and with your thumb, just walk across. You go as fast or as slow as you wish. There's no hard and fast rule. You do what you feel you want to do. I'm just showing you where and how. But there's lots of different techniques that can be used. Now I'm going to do the push and rotate, because I quite like that one. And then a tender spot, then just stop and turn. And then just gently massage that out. And for the solar plexus, we hold here, find that indentation. And I prefer to use my thumb and just gently push and hold. And here's a great one for your breath to use in combination with this movement. So as you're pushing, take a nice breath in. So inhale. As you release your thumb, exhale. Try that 3 times. Try the other hand. Again, find your correct position with your thumb. And as you press down, relaxing both hands, breathe in and out, relax and release. So push down, breathe in. As you release, breathe out. And again, push down, breathe in. As you release, breathe out. Perfect. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.